Hello and welcome back to Cognitive Psychology 120A. What I'd like to do today is cover chapter or module number 6, which is short-term memory. In particular, I want to begin by defining the idea of memory. And then we will really focus on what is known as the model of memory by Atkinson and Shiffrin. And we will use this model as a guide to explore various topics in the context of memory. And within this model, we will talk about sensory registry, which is when information comes in and is first sensed and maintained briefly. Short-term memory, and this model also has long-term memory as part of it, but we will focus on long-term memory in the next lecture. Then we will talk about why do we forget and the two main theories about that, decay and interference. And finally, we will talk about working memory, a related construct to short-term memory, but a different theory, or in fact, an enhanced version of the original proposal for short-term memory. All right, let's get going.